Responding to the High Court directive on constituency delimitation within the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council's purview, Deputy Chief Executive Member Pynshngain and Syiem stated that the Council's Executive Committee has diligently carried out its responsibilities. In a statement to the media, Pynshngain and Syiem mentioned the formation of a delimitation committee by the EC to advance the procedure and highlighted that they are presently awaiting the committee's report.
Yung idon kam ban le ya ka delimitation ban reorganize biang ya kisnong haki konstitusi ba per habang yo eta jing tho nagaliang jongi nyema ban constitutive committee klem da yo iswai ka approval jongu governor halor kita ki jing tho ni thong asho governor ban ai ka approval yani bangin constitutive ka committee hadin bo governor la approve then nyisa Snaya komiti, ban mentah komiti kadang jadi syakmat, ban compare, ban sengau lagi rushimet lagi senang. Tapi jika kam don kanu kebalong claim procedure, kani ngelayak bahaya ka procedure. Hoi nyimpat don ka rules on delimitation committee, ban pas apok house, kani ngidang prepared mentah, nomor ban amen ya ka Assam and Meghalaya Autonomous District Council rules. Kamu dia tangi ke delimitation, conduct apa house, kakam jong chairman, kumnuban please question. Tinghapan amen ki babon ki. Tenata yang mentang idang prepare lang syakman, barin klip lang hakani ka edi rules jongi, ya ka delimitation rules. Ya segala bandi ka chapter. Den namar bau gubernur lu ayengi ka approval. Ban ila constitute ila follow accordingly ya ka by July bro kata. Ngam I bakan long on procedure. Ya kakut yang nama ban kerana imenta kasyong haka jingsno jung kakut ndeng asyia thu epi ya ka proses ke jungi ba ngia aya ka with due process but pi khamtam men shwale shwa arja khatlai ya ka delimitation le tang ka isi ndon kam delimitation committee hendrei hakapor junga arja khatlai Gubernur OM di Bandon ke delimitation committee kenang bakan le exercise kapa benia bah. Jika jemut kolong bantau kan ban le benia bah, kenang bakan Bandon kanu ka jing le thurumur kan. Tang daka executive committee. Mbe daka delimitation committee. Mentaman ngila airat daka delimitation committee kan recommend with due exercise ban long detail exercise kan. Pasal jungi un apia akut persengau ya ke prosedur jungi ke pengistan mangi tang kata Nomor mentah kebanyakan kelai kakam bak palai syahikut kaditang hak jadi baka delimitation committee. Kam dei kanu.